Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the bracelet closely. Find the arrow marks and identify which links are removable. Use an improvised punch like a pushpin, paired with a small hammer or a firm flathead blade. This replaces a spring bar tool. Once done, stabilize the bracelet on a folded soft cloth to protect the finish and keep pins from rolling away. Make sure to note which side of each link faces the case, because reassembly must match orientation. This prevents pin misalignment later. Now you remove pins by aligning your improvised punch with the pin head, following the arrow direction. Tap gently and steadily, not violently. Once the pin moves, hold the bracelet edge with pliers to prevent the link from bending, and push the pin out just far enough to grip. Pull the pin fully with needle nose pliers or fine tweezers, and set it aside in order. Once done, repeat for the second connecting pin on the link you want removed, ensuring you remove equal links from both sides for balance. To finish, align the remaining link holes precisely and insert the pin from the opposite direction you pushed it out. This ensures the pin's tapered end seats correctly. Tap the pin gently until it sits flush with the bracelet surface, then flex the links to confirm smooth movement and check for gaps. Once done, wear the watch and test fit for comfort. If you notice stiffness or misalignment, remove the pin, clean debris from the hole, realign carefully, and reinsert, the most common fix for a stuck or uneven pin.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.